Well, a little trip to the local thrift store. It's always fun to kind of look around, see what you can find, and I found some really cool stuff there. A couple old things. These are the break up a couple videos. This first was the computer related stuff. So so first we got here Myst. Kind of this was kind of with the board games that were there, and it was kind of cool. For $2.99, I got an original copy of Myst, and has a CD-ROM inside. And yeah, let's open it up. Just take a look, right? See what we got here. Ooh, what do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Ah, the Myst, the Journal of Myst. Oh, so I guess what you could do is keep a lot of notes in here in your Myst, right? And a CD-ROM, and it is the Myst CD-ROM. And she's in sparkly good condition. Hey. So I can't wait to try this out on my 486 machine. So originally Myst came out, I don't know, when was this? The early 90s maybe? You know what I mean? It's for IBM Tandy 100 compatible, 486 recommended, 386DX, 33 megahertz RAM. I have an old Pentium DOS machine. We'll go ahead and try to play this game. And, you can't beat it for that price, right? So, that's kind of cool. I think everybody's pretty much played Myst at this point, so I don't know about actually loading this on the PC and doing a review. But if you want me to, leave it in the comments. This thing looks practically brand new. Nothing written in the notes. I might actually try this out. I don't think I've actually sat down and ever played Myst. I had it on my PlayStation years ago, but 30 seconds into it, I got bored because I couldn't even solve the first puzzle because I'm such an idiot. So yeah, maybe I'll give it another shot on put it on the PC. But for that price, can't beat it. I'll just throw this aside. Boop. Hold on, the 80s are calling me. Yep. Good. The other thing I got was this Creative Labs Sound Blaster 2.0. And that's kind of cool, actually. I got this for, I think, $6. I'm thinking, what the heck? These aren't these worth like a couple $100 on eBay? Hey! And let's open her up and find out what we got, huh? At least for like $6, I took a risk. Because probably even the box is worth that, right? And it does heavy. Let's see what we got here. This is the original, I guess not the original, but 2.0 version. Sound Blaster 2.0. This package contains 2.0 card, RC jack cables, Sound Blaster software, Windows applications. We got Creative Wave Studio, Creative Sound Studio, all kinds of good stuff in here. SSB Talker, FM Intelligent Organ, whatever the heck that is. Talking Parrot, BKB. We got System Requirements, MS-DOS 3.1, okay, VGA, Joystick Port, Line Jack. It's got all this stuff on here. Digital Voice Input, Wave Editing Software. Holy crap, holy. We're talking like mega technology here, right? This is like Cyberdyne. This will take over the entire world. 11 voice synthesizer. Microphone input, power amplifier. It's got everything, folks. It slices, it dices, it'll mow your lawn. It'll turn your 486 gaming system into a powerhouse with stereo sound. Oh, and it's also Windows compatible. Microsoft Windows compatible. Sound Blaster Creative Systems. Let's open this up. Without further ado, let's open a damn box. Well, we got the user's guide. And it is thick. Computers back then, man. I tell you what, you needed like they weren't user-friendly at all. You needed a user guide that you would have to spend hours reading this. You know, use keystroke F7 for this, F8 for that. It's guys doesn't even feel like it's ever been opened. It still has the factory plastic. I didn't open it. This was already like this. So that's kind of cool. You know, somebody did open it at one point. Sound blaster. I wonder if everything's in here. I'm just kind of like for the dramatics, like opening it up one at a time. It's either going to be worth $300 or it's going to be worth $50 for the box. You know what I mean? So, oh yeah, there's all kinds of good stuff in here. Holy shit. There's like a ton of stuff. The user's guide. Look how thick that is, for crying out loud. We got your, you know, your registration card. Oh, another manual about text to speech. That's actually kind of cool. Maybe this was some early technology where you could talk to it. It's like Siri for your DOS, your Windows machine. Oh my gosh, look at all these speech to... You gotta like read this to even talk to it. You know, you'd be like,
I talked to my computer, but it took me 4 months to figure out. It learned all of 5 words.
oh, we got a Indianapolis 500. The simulation. Woo! We got a video game in here. I guess it comes with a video game. Oh, it's got the key cards in it. I remember this stuff because it would show you a picture of the card or something. You'd have to... It'd show you a picture, and to play the game, you would have to, like... Oh, that is blah, blah, blah. You know what I mean? So, yeah, this is, like, pretty cool here. We got Indianapolis Speedway. We got all the little cars and stuff. So there's probably a game in here included. Command summary card. You'll need this to use your sound card. F7 for this, F8 for that, F2 for that. Oh, this is actually for the Indianapolis game. So these are your keys to drive your Indianapolis car. Because you probably won't have a steering wheel with it. You probably have to, like, use your freaking keyboard. It's, you know, in game simulation, this is how you play.
This is just...
Wait, let's do that.
This is just like driving in the Indianapolis 500. Oh, wait. F1 to speed up. F2. Oh, I went to F3 to stop.
Simulation. Where's your steering wheel? Registration card. There's a lot of registration cards in here, you know. Well, you know, gotta get your system registered. I can't. I gotta see what the hell's in here. A pack of marijuana, you know. You can hide your weed in there. Feels like discs. We got some foam. We've got the cable devices. We've got fudge. There's no sound card in there. However, there's the ESD paper. So this just went from $300 fine to probably $50 if somebody would want the box. But hey, I only paid $6 for it. I didn't expect to actually have this, but I kind of expected I would. Oh, well. Well, let's just see what's in here. At least we got some cool software, right? Look at this. We got the Sound Blaster text-to-speech disc. These look like crispy, like they're brand new. There it is, the Indianapolis 500 simulation. I bet the graphics are out of this world being contained on 1.44 megabytes. Let me tell you. We got Sound Blaster Disc 1, Sound Blaster Disc 2, Sound Blaster Disc 3, text to digital speech Disc 2. So we got 2 discs for that. That's a big program back in the day. The Sound Blaster's got 3. I guess this is all that wave editing stuff and all that, you know, spectacular technology. But this, you know what? You know, if I lay this out on the table here, like this, you know, just put it all out like it's a showcase. If I'm selling it on eBay, I'd get like a fake video card and put it in there. No, I wouldn't do that. Hey, this might make it on eBay. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Put it on the shelf and display it.
Hey, look, everybody, I have up on my wall up here is text-to-speech. I have it, you don't.
So, let's place this all out and do our little commercial. Yes, folks, get our Sound Blaster 2.0. Not 1, but 2.0. 2.1 will come out later, but for now it's 2.0. We have text-to-speech. We have all this crap that you can now play Myst with full stereo sound with Sound Blaster 2.0. Not 1, but 2.0. Oh, hang on. Hello? Oh, the 80s called. They want their sound card back. Anyways, I thought this was pretty cool. Not bad for 6, 7, 8, 9. My, my education says that's 6. I already forgot what it was. 6, 7, 8, 9, $9. Hey, this was actually kind of fun, and I think I'll make a couple of dollars on this. I'll put this up for sale. I wish it had a damn sound card. Anyways, well, I hope you enjoyed this. I don't know if this is a review other than a reveal or whatever you want to call it. I hope you enjoyed it. For me to do more of these crazy videos, please subscribe to my channel.
Hit that subscribe button already. I need cash.
I want to quit my day job. Have a nice day, everybody. Hit subscribe. Thank you. Ooh.